Welcome to today's update. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the altcoin market condition because already we have 40% of altcoins sitting at their all-time low. And if you take a look at the price chart between ETH and BTC, we are looking like we are definitely going to break out very soon, which is going to set our altcoin into much more higher prices. So in this video, we are going to be looking at a lot of data right here that is going to prove to you that we are closer to alt season. And also by the end of this video, I'm going to show you one of the most promising altcoin that is setting up for a major rally right now. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, looking at the altcoin market cap, we are already sitting at a major level of support and we are respecting the level, holding above it. If we can hold firmly above this level right now, soon we are definitely going to see altcoin having much more rally. And if we fail to hold above it and we get a break below it, we are going to see the price going into much more lower prices, just like this level right here we had back in 2024. But right now we are doing a very great job by holding above this major level of support. And one of the most promising chart that is indicating that we are definitely going to get an altcoin season very soon is the ETH pair against BTC. If you take a look at it right here, since 2021 we have been in this descending channel, and right now we are currently pressing against this level of resistance. And if we can get a break, we are definitely going to see altcoins outperforming BTC, and this is going to put a lot of altcoins rallying to much more higher prices. If you take a look at it here at this level, this was a level back in 2020 where we got a breakout, and this sent a lot of altcoin into much more higher prices. And right now we are repeating the same price action, which I believe that very soon we're definitely going to get a breakout from altcoin that is going to put a lot of altcoin into much more higher prices. As you can see, we have already tested this major key level of support that we tested back in 2020, which gave us the mega alt season we saw in 2021. If you take a look at it here now in 2026, we've already tested the level, and since then we have been seeing a very much good bounce. Right now we are just in a consolidation phase, which is going to give us a strength to push out above this trend line. And if we see ETH breaking above this trend line here against BTC, this is going to set a lot of altcoins into much more higher prices. So the question is, which of these altcoins are going to perform very well? Now, one of the altcoins which I fully believe that is going to perform very well once we confirm a breakout from ETH here against BTC is the Ethereum Classic, because Ethereum Classic is a token that was built inside ETH, and if you begin to see ETH outperforming BTC, Ethereum Classic is going to perform very well. Now, if you take a look at the price chart here, we are currently sitting at a major level of support where we saw a major rally back in 2021. This was the support that gave us a pretty bounce, bouncing from let's just say $7 to $178. This is more than 10% rally on the price chart. And right now we are testing the level, which I fully believe that immediately we get a breakout from ETH right here, we're definitely going to see the same rally we saw at this level. And right now, if you take a look at the chart, we are currently in a descending channel, which has been keeping us in this current bear market since 2021. And I think this is the right time that we're definitely going to see the bounce. And if we are going to see the bounce from this level, we are going to see major key level of resistance on our way up. Major level of resistance, which I think ETC is going to struggle at, is sitting at the $12 to $14. And also, if we can get a break above the $12 and $14, then we're definitely going to see another major of resistance sitting at the $20 level. And if we can break above the $20 level, then we can easily see a mega pump to $178, because immediately we break above this descending channel, this is going to invalidate this bearish price structure we have been seeing since 2021. And also, if we compare this current price chart now to the ETC BTC pair, you will see that we are in the same price action we saw at this level right here, where we saw the mega pump from $7 to $178. Is currently appearing at this level right now here. Now, taking a look at this is the level where we saw the mega pump back in December 2020, where the mega pump started. And if you take a look at the price right now, we are already at the same price action, which is already indicated that we are definitely going to see a very good bounce very soon. This can only be invalidated if we see a break below this trend line. But as long as we hold firmly above this trend line, we are definitely going to get a bounce very soon. And the only resistance I'm seeing here on the BTC pair is this level of resistance here, which is the descending channel trend line. And from this level right now to this level is a mega pump here on the USDT pair. This is going to put the price into much more higher prices right there. So you can see that the ETC token, which is the Ethereum token, is looking very, very promising in the USDT pair and also on the BTC pair. So right here, one of the major tokens which I fully believe that is going to perform well is the ETC. And also, if we break below this current level of support that we are right now, which is the $8 to $7, we are definitely going to see the Ethereum Classic going into much more lower prices. And the next level of support is sitting at the $4 level to this level right here, the $3 level. And if we break below this level, we are definitely going to invalidate this bullish setup that we're having on the price chart. So now what we need to do is to hold firmly above this level right here, then see a little bit of consolidation, which is going to push us into much more higher prices. And also on the BTC pair, we still need to hold firmly above this level right here, and then from there we can easily get a major pump that is going to take us into much more higher prices here on the BTC pair and also on the USDT pair. So this is one of the most promising altcoin right there, and whatever I say in this video is not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm currently doing right now in this bear market. And this has brought us to the end of today's video. If you find this video very useful and informative, make sure you hit up the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that next time when I make a specific video just like this, you'll definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.